Alright everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Now in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be fitting Jake's brand new boot struts to his Fiesta. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. It could literally just clip in and out, so I thought in case it is that short, to make the video a little bit longer, we'll do a little bit of a driving section of me driving my car over to his house. But yeah, let's get started. Let's go over to his and fit his struts. That is so loud. Jeez. Straight into sport mode. Jeez. Oh my god, the bangs this thing makes. Oh my god. The person behind me must love me right now. Oh, they've pulled over, they've given up, they've left. They don't want to be behind me anymore. They've just let other cars go. They've had enough. Dual carriageway, windows up. Down through the gears to the roundabout. And out the roundabout and away we go. And out the roundabout again and away we go. Windows down. Alright, so we've made it to Jake's house and we're about to clean his car because it's an absolute, well, it's dirty, look at it, it's disgraceful. So we're going to give it a quick clean and then we will get on to installing the struts. Hopefully it doesn't take too long at all. Whoa, bloody hell.
You can walk into the driveway.
Yeah.
Riding, rolling, drinking, smoking, that's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions, that's something I do. I've been rolling around, I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been rolling around, I've been rolling around. That's something I do.
Okay, so we have finished cleaning the car and now we're going to put the new struts on, but we've got a button on the key and at the moment, when you do it, I just have to double press it. Is that done?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I'm pressing the lock button to do that and then it just pops it like that. I don't even know if you heard that. And then obviously you have to pull it up, but this is what we're going to be replacing with these two struts here. So you've got these, literally, which will be going to replace them, like that. So, I think I might actually need your help with this because I need someone to hold the boot open while we unclip that one. Alright, so we've done the right hand side one first, just so we know exactly what we're doing, and now it's so simple. You just get your flathead screwdriver and you pop these like 2 pins out. You pop like these out here, just put your flathead in there and then should come out somehow. Oh yeah, well the whole thing's off now. And then it's the same at the bottom. Jake's holding this while we're doing it, just so it doesn't close on itself. There you go, like that. And then that's the whole strut out. And then to put the new ones in, it's even easier. You just have these 2 safety pins that you can see there. You slide them round and take them out and keep these because you're going to need them later on. There's one at the bottom as well. You slide round and take out. And then you put the bottom one on first, same way. And then you almost wait, you can hear it click like that. It's a solid click. And then same at the top, twist it round. So, I'll have to lift it up, there you go. And then like that, so you can hear it. And then you put these 2 pins back in. One, and then bang, that is literally it. That is now the strut in. And this obviously the exact same that side. The question is, obviously they're pushing up, so it's interesting to see if it's difficult. That is heavy to push down. That is actually very heavy to push down, but it's alright. But now, where's the keys? Are they in the back still?
Have you locked the keys in there?
No, it's definitely open still. It's not opening.
Wait, hold on.
I'll have the keys in my pocket. No, they're my keys.
No, I have a spare key.
Okay, so make sure you have a spare key because you will lock your ones in the boot. So double tap That is so sick. That is so sick. Get the inner ones out and then close it again. Jesus, that is so heavy, you know.
Really?
What the hell? Why is that so heavy?
Are you struggling a bit?
No.
What? Do it.
That is sick. Right, that is going to be it for this video. The boots struts are on and it is sick. And now Jake, quickly try shut it. Yeah, these are, it might be because it's new, so while they've worn in a bit, it might be a bit easier. But so far, they're fucking sick. I want some myself, to be fair, but yeah, that's going to be it for this video. We're about to go take some photos up some nice roads we know, and if you want to see those photos, check out the Instas, all the socials down below. The links will be in the description. And yeah, I think I'm going to have to get a pair of these for my car next. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.